How to fix Messenger unable to load camera roll problem. So if you want to fix your Messenger unable to load camera roll problem, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply find your Messenger application, tap and hold on to it, and then you need to go with the app info section. Once you go with the app info, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with permissions, and under permissions, you need to make sure that you allow the permission of photos and videos. You need to tap on it, and then you need to go with allow under photos and videos access for this app. Once you've accessed this, your problem will be fixed. You can go back to your Messenger and you'll have all of your camera roll photos or videos. You'll be able to load those photos or videos. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing is you need to go back and then open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Messenger. After searching, if you have any updates on your Messenger, just simply go and update it, and after updating, just restart your device, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.